Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're going to be making churro waffles. This is a fun spin on a classic waffle that everybody enjoys, so let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we are going to need 2 cups of buttermilk, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. We're going to start by combining our eggs, our oil, and our buttermilk together, and we're going to whisk this till it's thoroughly combined. Then next we are going in with our sugar, our cinnamon, our vanilla, our baking soda and baking powder. We're going to whisk this till it's well combined as well. Last but not least, our flour. We're going to add this in stages. We do not want to over mix this. That's why we're adding this last. We're just going to get this incorporated. Next, we're going to want to wrap this and set it in our fridge for just a few minutes while we're heating up our waffle iron and we're working on the topping for the waffles. And for our topping, all we need is 1/4 cup of butter melted, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Just going to add our cinnamon into our sugar and get that mixed up, and we're going to get ready to start making the waffles. We're going to start by spraying our waffle iron to make sure nothing sticks. Now we all know churros have a nice crispy exterior, so we're going to make these waffles a little thin. I want to say we're going to go with maybe a little less than 1/4 cup of batter. We're going to go in the center, and we're going to spread it out. We're going to close it up and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, let's check on our waffle. Oh, that looks perfect. Let me pull this out. Now we're going to plate. To plate this, we're going to set our waffle dead center of our plate. We're going to brush our melted butter all over every square inch of this thing because we want our cinnamon sugar topping to stick to it. And we're just going to heavily sprinkle it with our cinnamon and sugar. There you have it. Let's get a taste. Let's dig in. Now since this is heavily sugared and has cinnamon on it, I'm not going to go with maple syrup, but you definitely can yourself. Let's get a bite. That's really good. The interior is nice, light, and fluffy. The exterior has a nice crunch to it, has a beautiful cinnamon sugar flavor. It really reminds me of a churro. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you're interested in the outdoors, I also have an outdoor channel. I'll drop a link for you in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.